People spend tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars to go to trade show. And let me tell you the three biggest mistakes that they make. Number one, they're handing out paper collateral. A business card is a transfer of information. It doesn't show your transformation. It goes in their pocket and you're forgotten forever. So that being said, business cards are trash. That's number one. Number two, people buy scanners. You scan people's badges. Listen, there's nothing worse than dirty data. What do I mean by that? Everyone comes by a booth, you're scanning every badge. You're scanning badges of people that aren't even a prospect for your product or service. Let me tell you what your people are doing. They're confusing activity with accomplishment. They think if they just scan a badge and hand people a cup and a brochure or a catalog that they've done their job. No, the art of human connection is not dead. You need to tell people who you are, what you do, and how you can serve them, and do it quickly so they want what you have and you won't have to convince them that you have what they need. So paper collateral, scanners don't work. You need another option. Number three, what most people do when they're at shows that they shouldn't be doing is they don't set an appointment right there on the spot. Listen, when you're at a show and you have a high-level person in front of you, you have their attention, okay? Why are you at a show? You're at a show to get people's attention. And then once you have their attention, you need them to pay attention so you can present your product or service in detail and pique their interest. And then while you're at the show, you need the ability to book the appointment on the spot. So listen, if you're going to a trade show, a lot of the tchotchkes look nice. They might draw people to your booth. But if you're not telling them who you are, what you do, and how you serve them quickly, if you're not introducing yourself, building rapport and gaining credibility quickly, you have to identify their problem. Do they need restoration inbound or whatever service that you're selling? And if they do, then you need to be able to show them the truth, authenticity, and proof that you can deliver. And don't just exchange information. Show them your transformation, book the call, and engage them in your sales process. Hey, it's Charlie, and thanks for watching. And if you like the content, what I have to say, hit the subscribe button. And more importantly, book a demo so we can show you how to brand position and differentiate yourself in your space with impact and influence so you can close more deals at higher price points.